This is Matt Lindsay. I'm the team lead and team owner of Precision Home Group. Me and my wife, Alicia, co-run the team and everything that we do. You might ask yourself who we are, and wanted to come to give you a little bit more information about that. We are one of the top producing teams. We lead in production, we lead in experience, we lead in client reviews, and that's because of all the experience that we have. I started this team in 2017 and quickly grew it to multiple agents doing multi-million-dollar years per year, and we have the results to back up our experience. We have the know-how to make sure that you as a client are taken care of and represented to the best ability. I wanted to give you a video today about what it's like working with Precision Home Group. So we do not charge additional admin fees, marketing fees, and all these other things that a lot of people do. And the beauty of working with us and any one of our agents is you don't just get an agent working for you. You have a full-time marketing team behind you, supporting you. We have a full-time transaction team, admin team who's working for you, the client. We have multiple agents working for you. Yes, you might have one team agent there signing that listing contract, speaking directly with you, but they have my expertise. I sit down with them, I walk them through it. I'm available to you and to the agent to make sure that this transaction runs smoothly. All of that is given to you as the client at the same cost, at the same commission rate as any other deal. So you as the client are getting so much more value, so much more benefit. You're getting protected in multiple different ways, and you have an entire team supporting you in your real estate goals. We have recently been given and certified with the Certified Luxury Home Marketing Specialist Institute's designation. Now, our team is certified with that because we have done two things. One, we've met all of the education criteria, going through hours and hours of classes about marketing luxury homes, researching luxury markets, and knowing how to speak to both the buyer and the seller in regards to the high price point homes and what that entails. The second part of that designation is going to be the actual production behind it. We actually had to sell enough homes in that luxury threshold, the top 10% of the market prices, to be able to acquire this designation. We have sold enough homes in that luxury threshold. For Alaska, that top 10% starts at $600,000. We have sold many homes in the $600,000, $700,000, $800,000, $900,000, and million plus dollar thresholds to be able to acquire this designation and make sure that we're a part of that elite club of real estate agents who can actually conduct business effectively in that realm. Now, our team members have the ability to tap into the additional marketing benefits, the additional research, the additional experience that I have by bringing that to the table. And you as the clients only win when you're awarded all those additional benefits through our agents. Another benefit of working with the team is we only employ professional, full-time agents in the field. By working with our team, you know you're getting an experienced agent, someone who's trained well, someone who has the time to actually devote to you as the client to make sure that the job gets done. We're not part-time agents. We don't do this just as a side hobby or a side hustle. This is our full-time profession. We are professionals in our field. We are professional salespeople, and we are here to make sure that your client goals are met. Another great benefit of working with us, Precision Home Group, is our marketing ability. So we do have a full-time marketing team that supports the team in every transaction that we do. Now, most single agents are going to step in and they got to wear the hat of the marketer. They have to take on all the different things that they do to be able to market, as well as everything else that they have going on for you as a client, as well as the other clients they have. Our team, because we have so many people, so many agents, so much agents contributing to the team, we're actually able to lower that overhead and do much, much more with it. So what that looks like to you is we have additional resources. We have additional advertising budget. We have additional team members to be able to assist with marketing. We're able to create and use different technologies, different social ads, different things to be able to actually get more attention on your home, on your listing, so that we can sell it effectively, we can sell it efficiently, and we can make sure that your goal of selling your home for top dollar is a priority and it actually gets accomplished. Another great benefit of using Precision Home Group is that we have a full-time transaction coordinator. Now, this role, this position within our team is a support role for your agent who is working and doing business with you. They have the support of an additional team member behind them to help with collecting information, doing a lot of the admin work, filling out paperwork, making sure that we're staying on track with the contract timeframes, making sure that we're actually doing everything that we need to do to stay within compliance, stay within the contract terms on both the listing and once we actually get into contract. So they have additional team members supporting them so that they can focus on the thing that's most important, and that's communicating well with you, making sure that we're actually working towards the common goal of getting your property sold and closing the deal.